Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a meme using Canva. So let's get started. It's very interesting. So first of all, you have to go to Chrome browser, select the profile, maximize the size. Now here you have to type canva.com, open the official Canvas website. You can search it on Google. Now after opening the website, you have to log in with the Gmail account. You can use your Gmail account to log in on the website. After logging in, as you can see here, click on this option, create a design. After choosing create a design option, go to search bar and type meme, M-E-M-E. When you type meme, you will see the option of meme. Click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you hundreds suggestions of templates which you can use for your meme making. For example, I want to make a meme on my let's guess, okay, I want to make a meme on okay, we can choose the template as well as okay. Damn, the templates are hell funny. You can also see the gym memes. Okay, they are all dope. You can choose a from the template, so you can search it up if you have any idea. This one is cool. You can also do the changes by writing anything. You can change the text as well as text font by changing the text font by clicking on here, and you can change the text color as well as by clicking on this A option and choose the color. You can make it to black color. Just go to this A option, do A. You can also add your copy or trademark sign or whatever handle you are using on Instagram or Facebook. You can just put the username here in the side, just put the text option and you can post your username here. After making all the changes, go to share option, click on download, select the maximum size, select the format and click on download option, and your meme will be downloaded. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Take care.